looked like a 1940 Ford. Truck sitting on a S10 chassis. Got a 4.3 V6. Power steering, power brakes. This baby is bullet. Nicely done up truck, goes down the road really nice. Got the chop going on. Cool truck. It's got the original instrumentation there, which wasn't much back then. But then it's got the S10 stuff up here on the ceiling. That does work. This truck was done by an older gentleman. It's got electric windows. A neat old truck. Nice comfortable seat. Probably out of an S10, I would imagine. Solid truck. Got a nice body. Very sound 4.3. This thing runs well. 4.3 is nothing but a 350 with a couple cylinders chopped off the back, and this thing goes down the road good. There we go. Alright, let's drive it. Go into Ragersville, maybe. It might make for too long of a video, I don't know. Wait a minute here. What the heck did I do? It either, so yeah, look at all this crap. Nice to have power steering in your old classic. buddy. Stay in there. Stay in there. Not too lively either for, 47 model. It's got some character rattles, but it's on the road nice. This V6 moves this truck, but it moves it well. Alright, well, you get the picture. It runs, it drives, it stops. It's blue. It's a Ford with a Chevy motor. You get more pictures of this car on my Facebook. Call me anytime at 330-556-1950. 330-556-1950. Alright, obviously